Welcome to Fundamentals of Publishing Sales. In particular, welcome to the world of selling to libraries. This is a market that may look familiar on the surface, but operates with its own logic and expectations. If you're already working in publishing sales, you'll recognize some of the skills that you perhaps use every day. Building relationships, understanding customer needs, and communicating value clearly. And if you're an experienced sales professional joining this sector for the first time, you'll find that your instincts still matter, but the rules of engagement may be a little different. In these 4 modules, you'll gain valuable insights as well as practical takeaways to help build your confidence in working with libraries and to thrive in your library sales career. By completion, you will be able to build a foundational understanding of how libraries and library consortia operate, create a data-driven sales plan that you can be confident in executing, develop relationship-based selling skills suited to the library environment, and you'll also be able to step up your engagement from email to in-person and reap the benefits. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and sharpen up your sales skills.